How are you guys? This is the part 4 video of Primavera P6 Professional R8.3, and in this video we will learn that how to add different activities under one WBS. In my previous videos you people learned that what is OBS and how to add OBS, and then how to make EPS, and then how to add new project. And then in part 3 video you people learned that what is WBS and how to add WBS. If you didn't watch my previous videos, so you can find the links in the description, so please click on the links, watch these videos, learn how to add OBS, EPS, WBS, and how to add project. And now in this video we will do different activities under one WBS. So let's start, and open the project, click on file, open. Here this is our project, electrical wiring 1. Select this, open. Now you can see that in a yellow bar, this is our project, electrical wiring 1, and in green bars you can see there are 2 WBS, work breakdown structure. As project manager decided that we will divide this electrical wiring 1 project in 2 different phases, in 2 different stages. We will do and we will complete this electrification work of G+5 building, 5 floors building electrification work. So our first WBS is A.G+2F, ground plus 2 floors, and our second WBS is B.3F, 3 floors. And now we will start how to add different activities. So first click on first WBS, right click. Here this add option is not enabled, so for this click on file, refresh data, and then again select first WBS, right click. Now this add option is enabled, click on add. Remember, before entering different activities, so first you will do entry of start, and then in a detail tab area, in a detail tab section, in activity type select start milestone. We will define start milestone, and then after entering different activities which will be required, then we will do last entry of end. We will write end, and then we will select finish milestone, which I will do later after inserting different activities. So I inserted start and select start milestone. Then again select first WBS, right click, add. So our first activity will be ground floor electrification work. This is our first activity. And now in this column, which is original duration, which means that how many days will be required to complete this activity. So let's suppose I will write 10, that this activity will take 10 days to complete. Then again select first WBS, right click, add first floor electrification work. And let's assume that this activity will take also 10 days. Then again select first WBS, right click, add second floor electrification work, and this will also take 10 days. And then again select first WBS, right click, add, and write end. And here in detail tab area, in activity type select finish milestone. So your first work breakdown structure activities has been done. As you can see from first WBS, G+2F, ground plus 2 floors. So ground floor, first floor, and second floor electrification work schedule has been done, and all these 3 activities will take 10 days. So it means that first WBS will take 30 days to complete as per the schedule. And I also defined the start and finish milestone. Here you can see I click on start, here start milestone, and finish milestone. And I will do same for the second WBS, which is B.3F, the remaining upper 3 floors. So click on second WBS, right click, add. As I told you, start. Here select start milestone, then again select second WBS, right click, add, third floor electrification work, and this will take, let's suppose, 9 days. Select second WBS, right click, add, fourth floor electrification work, and this will take, let's suppose, 8 days. 8 fifth floor electrification work, and let's assume this will take 10 days. Then again select second WBS, right click, add, and write end, and here select finish milestone. So your second WBS activities has been done. So this is the way that we add different kind of activities. Now here you can see that first WBS will take 30 days to complete, and second WBS will take 27 days. So it means that in 57 days this project will be completed as per the schedule. So I think it's enough. In this video you people learn that how to add different activities, and in my next video you will learn more. So please stay tuned, and also share this video with who want to learn Primavera. Thank you.